welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. Class 2nd subject Maths, chapter name is Measurements. I am Kiran Jagtap. Dear students, in this video we will learn about the standard units of measuring length. What is the length? What are the standard units? Some standard instruments for measuring the length. Dear students, we measure many things which has height, length, weight or width. Let us know what is the meaning of measurement. Measurement is defined as the act of measuring or the size of something. In this chapter, we will learn about the measuring the length, measuring the weight or mass, measuring the volume of or capacity. These comes under the measurements. First of all, we are going to see about the measuring the length. Length is a measure of how high, long or wide something is. Learn about the units of length. Some objects are long and some are short. Here I have shown here. First one is the pen, second one is the mobile, and third one is the baby plant. We can measure the height of these things. So let us see about the length. What is the words related to the length are long, short, tall, width, height, width, and so on. The standard unit of measurement of length is called meter. It is denoted by m, that is small m, small letter m. Note that short forms of all the standard units are writing or showing in the small letters only. First of all, we are going to see in the measurement of length, that is, what do you mean by the standard units? Standard units means the measures which are proved by the great mathematicians or scientists. The standard units make accurate or exact measurements. Measures and rules which followed by all over the world is called the standard units. In the length, there are three types of measures we are going to see in the second standard. Number 1, centimeter. The short form is cm. Number 2 is the meter. The short form is m. And third one is the kilometer. Short form is km. Let us see the given measurements of the length with examples. First is the centimeter. It is denoted by cm. A centimeter is used to measure the length of small things. The instruments which we use to measure the small things are ruler or scale, we can call it. Tapes also given. Measuring objects using a ruler, like a ruler is made of plastic or metal. It has two scales on both the sides as shown below. On one side there is a centimeter scale and on the other side is the inch scale. We are going to see only the centimeter scales. We measure length of small objects as a chalk, duster, sketch pen, pencil box, and so on using any of these scales. The distance between 0 and the number at the other end of the object on a ruler is the length of the object. The small lines on the centimeters scale between two numbers is called the millimeter. For example, as shown in the given picture, from 0 to 1 is having the 10 small lines. That small lines are called 10 millimeters. We write as mm. 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. Means 10 mm makes 1 cm. Some examples of the measuring the length of each object in the centimeter. An eraser's length is 5 centimeter long. The pencil length is 14 centimeter long. Dear students, in this video we have learned about the meaning of standard units, the type of measurements of length, measuring the length in centimeter, reading the scale of rulers, some examples of measuring the objects in centimeter. Thank you.